huh? You think it was from a really big boat? Yeah. You probably have to be an admiral to have a boat that big, huh? Yeah. Oh, now we turn the corner. You see the bus stop? Yeah. You see this big white church over there? Yeah. And there go all the cars. There's so many cars. Vroom. Yeah. Bus. Yeah. Two bus. Who has a shirt with the bus on it? Whose shirt has a bus? Rex? I think yours has a rhino. Yeah. What about Daddy? What's on Daddy's shirt? You want to see it? Bus. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Oh. Ding, ding. That's right.
The train goes ding, 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 ding.
Train at the crossing goes ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Train at the crossing goes ding, ding, ding. All over town.
Rex, do you like riding the train? Ding, ding, ding. Where are we going? You know where we're going? Oh, okay. Let's go to the park. That's a good idea.